Pro Control puts virtually all of Pro Tools' mix automation capabilities at your fingertips. To demonstrate, let's record a fade-out with the master fader. First, we'll select Volume from the Automation Enable section. Next, with a cool new feature of Pro Control, the master fader switch, when pressed, instantly maps all the session's master faders to the main Pro Control unit. Use the channel's Auto button to select Write Mode. Now we'll hit play and fade the song. Let's check it out. This basic technique can be used to automate virtually every parameter in Pro Tools. Of course, a send's level and mute can be automated, and you can take advantage of the smooth, high-resolution, touch-sensitive digifaders to enter and record the send's automation data. First, enable the send you're interested in working with using the Master Select Assign send switches. Then press the flip switch. In this mode, the digifaders control the send level, and the channel mute button controls the send mute. Also in this mode, the channel data encoders can adjust send pan if the send being automated is stereo. To automate a plugin parameter, right-enable the track the plugin is inserted on and hit the Assign Enable switch in the DSP Edit Assign section. Mix automation with Pro Control is fast and intuitive, and it's far too comprehensive to go into here. Be sure to check out the user's guide for many more creative possibilities.